Here we go again. That first day feeling is in the air. Welcome back, Muskegon County. It's a brand new school year and the hallways are buzzing with energy. Backpacks are packed, buses are rolling, doors are opening, and across Muskegon County, students are stepping into their schools ready to grow, connect, and shine. Here at the Muskegon Area Intermediate School District, we're proud to stand alongside the educators, families, and communities who make that magic happen. Every school year tells a new story, and this one is already off to a great start. This year, we're celebrating the way teachers greet students by name, the way bus drivers wave every morning, the way school counselors listen and coaches encourage and para-educators step in. Because in Muskegon County, we believe in public education, and we believe in the people who make it thrive. From early childhood to special education, from career tech to professional learning, we're here to connect, support, and serve. So here's to the start of something special. To the new pencils and fresh sneakers, to the friendships that haven't been made yet, to the teachers who never stop showing up, and to the students who are the reason for it all. Let's make this year full of connection, creativity, laughter, and learning. Let's lift each other up. Let's keep showing up together as one team and make the most of our big potential. Welcome back. We're so glad you're here.